How's it going, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Today we are here with my '07 V6. Oh my god, they already peed on it. Stupid dogs. '07 V6 Mustang. I am gonna start making it look a lot better. As you can see, we got terrible paint. Thanks a lot, Ford. Terrible wheels. Terrible tint. And the inside, it is ridiculously dirty in here. Why? Because I have not cleaned it in forever, and when I got it, it wasn't the cleanest either. So, that being said, we're going to start cleaning it. We're going to give it a deep detail. Well, not detail, but you know what I mean. We're going to clean it to the max. We're going to start off by going inside first. Okay, first things first. We have to clean this carpet, take out all the trash, and I really want to clean under the seats, so I'm gonna take off the seats as well. So let's get it started. All right, got the broski helping me out here. We're gonna remove the seat first. Okay, ready in front. This is the bolts. Nope, this is only this. You got it. I think there's some in the bag. Not even sure what I'm doing here. Now I think you have to remove these little plastic things. I don't know how they remove, but I'm sure you can. Oh, there we go. Yep, yeah, two in my hand. It just slides right off. Oh, nope, there we go. Easy peasy, man. Oh, this is some type of poop. Ew. It's disgusting.
There's always been a rattling in here.
Well, they get the gist of it. We're gonna take them out. Okay, we're gonna attempt to remove this front seat. Come over here, Ryan, because we're gonna need to disconnect some stuff. There we go. Ah, there we go. Hey, man. Okay. Oh man, seats are heavy. All right, look at all that mess. Hell yeah. Oh, can he take it out by himself? You think you got it, Ryan?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, no, you have a cable. You have a cable. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Woo. That's so funny to see them out of the car.
Ow.
You good over there, man?
I just drive.
Now, I'm thinking, are we able to remove those back ones?
Pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure too. Okay, gotta do a little quick Google search, guys. Here, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's this little plastic thing right there. Just push and pull up. You do it on your side. Push forward and then up. It's like a whole plastic thing. There you go.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it for the bottom half. See, Jesus Christ, what is this? Is this even considered quarters anymore?
Well, somebody was class of 2007.
Hey, were you class of 2000? Jeez. Hey, who? I know I literally do not smoke ever. So there you go. Jeez. Okay, let's get rid of those. Let's get rid of those real quick. Oh. As you can clearly see, everything is gone. Oh, I should probably empty out the trunk as well. You got a trash bag because there's a lot of trash in here. So we're just gonna start throwing everything away and see how much it piles up. Alright, so we decided to take off the carpet completely. It wasn't easy, it's alright. But as you can see, it's very dirty. I have a pressure washer there, the gun right here, so I'm gonna pressure wash this thing completely. Okay, we're here in the car wash. Got a little, my toolbox back there, plastic, whatever. Oh, get that out of the way. Well, look guys, besides the little rust and those things, I can't really get it out. But besides that, it is pretty clean compared to last time. Look at that. Really clean. So we're gonna set that up because we're gonna make it smell like new. Okay, we're gonna set that up right here. I guess, yeah. So I just press it and the AC is on, car is on. And I guess just press it. Oh, yep, there it is. Oh, whoa. There it goes, guys. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe for more because I will be posting more. Like I said, we just got done cleaning it, guys. That's just the beginning with this car. And look, I didn't even focus on the wheels because of a little something coming on the next video. We'll see about that. And you know, like I said, it's the beginning. We might change the grill, lower and upper grill, maybe the different headlights, maybe different tail lights as well. And who knows, maybe different paint job on this bad boy. And for sure, before I forget, also tint. Look at, what is that? We're gonna fix that tint, guys. ASAP, maybe after the wheels. Like I said, tail lights may be different, maybe a different bumper. Who knows, guys? This is gonna be my fixer-upper, my road to recovery on this car, because this car has taken a beating and it wasn't taken care of. And I'm gonna make sure it looks good. I'm gonna make sure it gonna break necks down on the road, and who knows, maybe it'll beat some people in races. And what's a good car video without a takeoff? Am I right? Am I right? Ooh, that one gave a little smell. Whoa. Whoa, who did that? Whoa. What happened there? That looks cool. Now you have to like and subscribe for that. I'll see ya on the next one. Peace.